गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रंस। आप लोग कैसे हैं? आशा है कि आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। तो हम आपका एक नया चैप्टर लेके आए हैं। तो चैप्टर नंबर 10 है महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड ईवीएस पार्ट 2 की और इंग्लिश मीडियम की बुक्स है। तो चलिए इसका फटाफट देख लेते हैं। जो चैप्टर नाम है हिस्टोरिकल पीरियड, इसके सभी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लेके आए हैं। तो सभी क्वेश्चन के आंसर को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। तो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स का फर्स्ट है मेसोपोटामिया वाज द लैंड बिटवीन द टू रिवर्स where the river Nile flows through the eastern part of the Sahara Desert in the north of Africa. C. The ancient civilization of China developed and flourished in the valley of the Huanghe River. D. The Indus Valley civilization developed in the Indus Valley. And match the columns. So group A, group B answer. Mesopotamia, the land between two rivers, Egypt. The river Nile, Chin. हुआंग रे रिवर, इंडस, सिंध, हड़प्पा, पंजाब, मोहनजोदारो, सिंधु। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, आंसर इज ऑफ फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन वन सेंटेंस. सो क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डिड द पीपल इन द न्यू स्टोन एज एस्टैब्लिश देयर विलेज सेटलमेंट. सो आंसर द पीपल इन द न्यू स्टोन एज एस्टैब्लिश देयर विलेज सेटलमेंट्स ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर. And question number B, what articles were the Harappa craftsmen skilled at making? So answer is the Harappa craftsmen were highly skilled in making bronze objects and beads from semi-precious stone of different colors. Question number C, what did the Chinese people believe? So Confucianism, Taoism and Buddhism were the three main philosophies and religions of ancient China. D. Which cities were among the important cities of ancient China? So answer is Beijing, Xi'an, Nanjing, Luang. And question number next is question number A, during the Harappa civilization in India, which were the famous sites in Rajasthan? So answer is Kalibanga is an Indus Valley civilization site location in northern Rajasthan, India. What is culture? So culture is ये यहाँ का उसका आधा आंसर इधर है और ये इसका आंसर है. एवरी जनरेशन हैंड ओवर द नॉलेज ऑफ आर्टिस्टिक स्किल एंड ट्रेडिशन टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. विथ दिस एक्सचेंज ऑफ द थॉट एंड आइडियाज लैंग्वेज बिकम richer and richer. Third is the knowledge of the various art, skill and tradition inherited from the generation on the generation and the way of the life founded on that knowledge is culture. So question number 4 is what are the some of the well-known characteristics of Harappa cities? So answer is the well-known characteristics of Harappa cities are systematic town planning. The houses were built in blocks created by parallel rounds that crossed each other at right angles. Huge granaries and spacious houses. Concern for public hygiene indicated by the bathrooms and latrines in every house and a covered drainage system. Question number is what made the soil on the bank of the Nile fertile? So first is the river Nile gets flood every year. The land along her banks has become very fertile due to flood deposit. Small embankments were built on the river to store the flood water. After the soil in the flood water settled to the bottom, the water was used for irrigation. Question number C. What were the major factors responsible for the rise of the earliest civilization? The earliest civilization developed between 400 and 300 BCE, when the rise of agriculture and trade allowed people to have surplus feed and economic stability. Why are the early civilization known as the riverine civilization? So answer is river was the attractive location for the first civilization because they provide a steady supply of drinking water and made the land fertile for growing crops. 5 number, complete the following charts. Huang He China, Indus Harappa, riverine civilization Nile Egypt, Tigris and Euphrates Mesopotamia.